Have you ever dreamed of making cash with just a few clicks? Well, you're in luck because I've got a game-changing AI bot that's going to blow your mind. Imagine making $5 every 15 seconds without leaving your house or breaking a sweat. Sounds too good to be true, right? But I'm here to tell you that it's not. In fact, I'm about to show you how this new AI bot is changing the game for online earners everywhere. I'll be breaking down everything that you need to know step by step, so be sure to pay close attention over these next few minutes because you definitely don't want to miss out on a single money-making detail. Let's get into it. Now, if you're looking for a tool that can help you create amazing videos quickly and easily, you need to check out Pictory, a site tool that we'll be using for today's strategy. This innovative AI tool is designed to help you create both short and long-form videos for social media in just a matter of minutes. Now, you might be wondering, what makes Pictory so special? Well, for starters, it's incredibly user-friendly. Even if you have no experience with video editing or production, you can easily find your way around the Pictory platform and create professional-looking videos in no time. Pictory also offers a range of templates and customization options that let you make your videos truly unique. You can choose from a variety of different video formats and aspect ratios, add images and graphics, and even add voiceovers, subtitles, and text overlays. So you don't need any fancy equipment or technical skills to use Pictory. All you need is a computer or mobile device and an internet connection, and you can start creating amazing videos that will help you promote your brand and reach a wider audience. Now that you know all about Pictory, let's dive into step 1 of today's tutorial. Step 1. Sign up for Pictory. First things first, you'll need to visit the Pictory.ai website and create an account. To make things even easier, you can use my referral code, DAVE45, to get started. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a button that says Get Started for Free. Simply click on that button and you'll be taken to a page where you can enter your first and last name, email address, and create a password. Or you can even choose to continue with Google. Once you've filled out all the required fields, click on the Continue button to finish the sign-up process. Once you do that, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be asked about your main video goal. This is an important step, as it will help Pictory customize your experience based on your needs. For this step, you can just select Personal Use if you're using Pictory for your own personal projects. However, if you're using it for business or for another organization, you can select the appropriate option that best fits your needs. Next, Pictory will ask you to tell them more about your organization. If you're a solo content creator like many people are these days, you can simply select Solo as your option. This will let Pictory know that you're the only one using the platform, and they can adjust their recommendations accordingly. Finally, Pictory will ask you to describe yourself professionally. If you're using the platform for personal use, you can select Content Creator as your option. This will let Pictory know that you're using the platform to create your own content, and they can provide you with the tools and resources you need to do so successfully. Step 2. Use the Script to Video tool. So, once you've created your Pictory account and logged in, the next step is to head over to the Script to Video tool. This is where the magic happens. When you arrive at the Script to Video page, you'll see a blank box just waiting for you to fill in with your creative ideas. It's time to let your imagination run wild and start brainstorming ideas for your video script. Don't be afraid to get creative. After all, this is your chance to shine and show off your unique voice and style. Now, I know you might be wondering, how do I write a script that will really stand out and engage my audience? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In the next step, I'll show you some tips and tricks for creating a script that will grab your audience's attention and keep them hooked from start to finish. Step 3. Create a script on WriteSonic. So now you'll want to head over to WriteSonic's website at writesonic.com *via=Dave-Nick. WriteSonic is an AI-powered writing tool that can help you generate high-quality content in just a few clicks. Once you're on the WriteSonic website, you'll see a bunch of amazing tools to help you with your content creation journey. The one we're interested in for this particular step is the AI Article Writer tool. It's pretty simple to use. You just need to put in your script ideas and let WriteSonic do its thing to generate a full article based on your ideas. Let's say you're creating a video script on 5 tips for increasing your credit score. All you have to do is follow the easy-peasy steps on Writesonic, which include getting keywords, ideas, intro, outline, and finally the article itself. It's as easy as pie. Just sit back and let the magic happen. Step 4. Turn the script into a video. Now that you have your script ready, it's time to put it into action and turn it into a video using Pictory's AI-powered video creation tool. The tool is designed to help you create videos quickly and easily, without the need for any complex video editing software or technical skills. Paste your script into the blank box provided on the Script to Video tool. After you've pasted your script, click on the Proceed button to get started. Pictory will then ask you to choose a template for your video. There are a wide range of templates available to choose from, so take your time and browse through them until you find one that suits your video content and style. Next, you'll need to select a ratio for your video. The recommended ratio for short-form content is 9:16, so keep this in mind when choosing your template. Once you've selected your template and ratio, click on Continue and sit back while Pictory works its magic. In just a few minutes, Pictory will generate a fully formed video based on your script and template selections. You'll be able to preview your video and make any necessary edits or changes. Pictory allows you to edit your videos extensively, so don't worry if you're not 100% happy with the final product straight away. You can add additional text, images, voiceovers, subtitles, and more to your video, and even change the stock footage used if you want to give your video a unique touch. Step 5. Post YouTube Shorts and monetize your content. So, you've made a fantastic video using Pictory and Writesonic, and now it's time to start sharing your video with the world and make some money. One way to do that is by using YouTube Shorts. This is a relatively new feature of YouTube, and it's designed for creators to post short-form videos that are 60 seconds or less. It's a great way to get your video content in front of a large audience quickly. Plus, since it's still a new feature, there's less competition, so you have a better chance of getting your content noticed. When you start posting your videos on YouTube Shorts, you can build a following by consistently posting engaging content that your viewers will love. Once you've built up a following, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money for the videos you make. You can also monetize your content by promoting affiliate products related to credit score. This can be a great way to earn some extra money on the side when you're building up your YouTube Shorts channel. To find some good affiliate products related to credit score, you can go to ClickBank, which is an online marketplace that connects affiliates with product owners. Once you're on ClickBank, search for Increase Credit Score, and you'll see a list of relevant products you can promote. Choose the products that you feel are the most relevant and helpful to your viewers and start promoting them through the AI-made shorts you created using Pictory and Writesonic. When you promote an affiliate product, you earn a commission for each sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. So the more people that buy the product, the more commissions you earn. And this can really add up over time. So all you need to do is get your videos out there and make sure that your affiliate links are attached to all your content. And before you know it, the cash will be rolling in. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to stay up to date on the latest money-making tips and tricks, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you next time.